Hey, if you want to receive notifications from your Android phone on your Huawei Watch Fit SE, first of all, you have to open the Huawei Health application, go into the devices, and from here select your Huawei Watch Fit SE. Now, you will have to scroll down and go into the notifications, click on them, and tap on this switcher to turn them on. Now from here, we have to enable notification access for the Health app, so go back, select your Huawei Health app and tap on this switcher. If it doesn't work like in my case and you have the restricted setting, I can recommend you to simply open the settings on your phone. So go into the settings, from here open all apps. You will have to locate the Huawei Health application. So it will appear just right here. Click on them, and now you'll have to click on the right upper corner and tap to allow restricted settings. Now input your screen lock method. In my case, that's the fingerprint sensor. And now when you go into the permissions, as you can see right now, it looks like everything is fine. So now I can recommend you to go back to the Health app, and as you can see right now, this switcher is enabled. So now we have to accept allow, allow, and from here, as you can see, we can enable notifications from each application that we have on the list. So that's basically it. Right now, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.